Hi, I'm Erika Mosenbeek. Today I have a nice story and a gift for you. A while ago I have been writing a post about forgiveness, and I know many people have difficulty with this. For many it is not easy to forgive. And I have a nice story today and a beautiful gift. My friend Mary Morrissey told me that she was a number of years ago in New Delhi, India at the Human Unity Conference. She had the opportunity for a private audience with the Dalai Lama. It was at the Lotus Temple in New Delhi where they met, meditated, and prayed. She said the Dalai Lama is an amazing human being and he had to leave his country, as we all know, over 40 years ago because of the Chinese government, and very bad things happened to his country and his people. But despite of all these difficulties, this amazing man generates compassion and executes happiness. He has refused to let these experiences dominate his daily life, awareness, and happiness. Mary said it was an amazing transformation to be near this man. Mary asked him how he can do this, to stay like this. And he said, every one of us has friends. Friends are easy to love, and if they make mistakes, even easy to forgive. Then we have what he called sacred friends. Oh, sacred friends, very, very difficult to forgive, he said. The Chinese government is my sacred friend. I would never have developed this heart. I have developed a compassionate heart in absence of the Chinese government. This government makes it so difficult to forgive that I had to get very, very big hearted and have to keep very, very big heart. And it's a big challenge, he said. Every one of us may have such a sacred friend, and the Dalai Lama taught a meditation in the Lotus Temple. It is called the Loving Kindness Meditation. This is a gift to us from the Dalai Lama. He said, begin with yourself. Begin with you and say, may I be truly happy. May I live in peace. May I live in love. May I know the power of forgiveness. May I live in recognition that my life has deep meaning and good purpose. You can repeat this over days and weeks. Begin with yourself, later your loved ones, and extend and say it for your sacred friend. And over time you will experience an energy shift. Keep directing this energy of loving kindness to the particular person or the circumstances that has been difficult for you to release. And you are going to actually see a shift in that energy. And you will feel more peace, and this peace will be a gift for you. It will be easier to forgive and let go of resentment. Thank you very much. Hope see you again here.